Hello students, let's continue our math session with lesson number 5, that is multiplication. Carry out the following multiplications. 3 multiply by 6. How do we do this? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So 3 6 are 18. Yes. So 18 is our answer. 5 multiply by 3. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. In this slide, the example made from the following picture. There are 6 flowers in each row. How many flowers in 4 such rows? Okay, we can see flowers here and there are 4 rows, and in one row there are 6 flowers. So we have to find out how many flowers are there in all. Altogether, how many flowers? How do we do this? 6 flowers in one row multiply by 4 rows. So the total number of flowers is 24. Yes, 6 multiplied by 4 will give us 24. So total number of flowers is 24. From the pictures given below, make examples of multiplication and solve them. Okay, so here you can see balls and there are boxes. In one box, there are 3 balls. And how many boxes are there? We have 7 boxes. 3 balls in one box and there are 7 boxes. So how many balls altogether? How do we do this? 3 multiplied by 7. What is 3 multiplied by 7? It is 21. 3 sevens are 21. So total number of balls are 21. Yes.
Using tables for multiplication. On his birthday, Chintu bought 6 pens at rupees 5 per pen. How much must he pay the shopkeeper for them? To find out the total cost, we must say the 5 times table up to 5 sixes. 5 sixes are 30. That is, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So, 6 pence multiplied by 5, which is cost of 1 pen, is equal to 30, that is total cost. So, Chintu must pay rupees 30 altogether. How many trees in 5 rows if there are 8 trees in one row? Rows 5. Trees in each row 8. The operation is multiplication. We shall use the 8 times table. 8 fives are 40, which means total trees is equal to 40, as 5 rows multiplied by 8 trees in each row is equal to 40, that is total number of trees. If 9 laddus can be put in one box, how many can be put in 7 such boxes? Operation multiplication. We shall say the 9 times table. 9 sevens are 63. So, 7 boxes multiplied by 9 laddus in one box is equal to 63. So 63 is the total number of laddus. Next is 7 days in 1 week. So how many days in 4 weeks? Well, say the 7 times table. 7 fours are 28. Therefore, 4 weeks multiplied by 7 days in 1 week would be equal to 28 days. So, 28 is the total number of days. Eight tiles in 1 row. How many tiles in 3 rows? Well, there are 8 tiles in a row. And there are 3 rows. Now, so say 3 times table up to 3 eighths. So 3 eighths are 24. 24 is the total number of tiles. Or else, you can do it the other way. There are 3 rows and there are 8 tiles in a row. Now, let us say the 8 times table up to 8 threes. So, 8 threes are 24, which means it is 24 tiles. 24, that is total number of tiles. One guava costs ₹6. Tony, Sonu, Nandu and Salma. How much money will be needed to buy one guava for each of the 4 friends? ₹6 cost of one guava. 4 is the number of children. So we shall say 6 times table up to 6 fours. 6 fours are 24. So 24 rupees in all would be needed to buy guava for all the 4 friends. Properties of multiplication. Children, now we will try and understand about some properties of multiplication. For that, let us see an example. 3 multiplied by 5. I know you're very smart. Yes, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. But tell me, how about 5 multiplied by 3? That's right. 5 multiplied by 3 is also 15. You know what it means? It means 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. Carry out the following multiplications and observe. 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. 5 multiplied by 6 is also equal to 30. Now the next sum. 8 multiplied by 3, yes, you're right, is 24. And how about 3 multiplied by 8? You're right again, that is also 24. Now the next sum. 7 multiplied by 6, yes, is 42. And 6 multiplied by 7, that's correct, is 42 as well. 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. And 2 multiplied by 9, yes, is 18 as well. So what did you observe? Well, the product of two numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. For example, 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 6. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 8. 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 7, and like that, 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 9. The multiplicative property of 0. Now children, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same as 2 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 8. Am I right? Alright. Similarly, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the same as 1 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 4. Now, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is the same as 0 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 0. So what did you learn from this? Well, when we multiply 0 by any number, or when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 0, which is equal to 0. Carry out the following multiplications. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. 21 is equal to 3 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And 0 is equal to 0 multiplied by 7. When you've already read, if we multiply 0 by any number, or when we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. 8 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0 multiplied by 8. 9 multiplied by 8 is equal to 72. 72 is equal to 8 multiplied by 9. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. 18 is equal to 3 multiplied by 6. Kids, now I will explain you the concept of multiplicand, multiplier, product. In the multiplication 6 multiplied by 5, we multiply the first number 6. You know what it is called? It is called the multiplicand. We multiply by the second number 5. It is the multiplier. The answer is 30. It is also known as the product. Now, similarly, in the multiplication 5 multiplied by 6, 5 is the multiplicand, 6 is the multiplier, and 30 is the product. I'm sure you've understood it very well, right?
Thank you, students, and have a nice day.